Hello everyone! Every tip I'm about to share comes from technicians working at a well-known appliance repair workshop in the city. So relax, because together we're going to find the solution. A few days ago, a customer came into the workshop saying their oven was showing the F6E4 error. The first thing we explain is that this code usually indicates a communication problem between the control board and the oven components, which prevents it from operating correctly. Some customers say, I turned on the oven and suddenly F6E4 appeared and everything locked up. And that gives us the initial clue on where to start checking. Next, the basics we always check first are the power supply and internal connections. Many customers mention, everything seemed normal, but it still wouldn't start. And in the workshop we explain that loose wires, dirty connectors, or unstable voltage can cause this error. One technician says, if the board doesn't get stable power, it can't communicate with the other components, and the oven goes into F6E4. At the same time, problems often come from the electronic board or control panel. Some customers comment, the panel was on, but it kept showing F6E4, which indicates that internal communication is failing. A technician clarifies, when the board loses signal from the sensors or relays, the oven locks automatically. Meanwhile, we also check temperature sensors, heating elements, and relays, because any failure there can interrupt the signal to the board. Some customers say, the oven seemed like it was trying to start, but nothing happened. And a technician explains, if the sensor doesn't report temperature correctly, the board detects a fault and locks the oven to protect it. On the other hand, there are times when the F6E4 error appears due to software issues or factory defects, and Whirlpool has even released bulletins for certain models. Some customers mention, I restarted it several times and the error came back, which usually indicates that the board needs inspection or replacement. A workshop technician says, if the board has any software misalignment, the oven won't start correctly until the board is replaced or updated.